Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have the basics: a physical ring/silent switch and an updated iOS. First, flip the ring/silent switch to silent so the orange marker shows. Then open Settings, go to Sounds and Haptics, and turn on Vibrate on ring and Vibrate on silent. Do this because vibration replaces sound for alerts and calls while keeping discretion. Once done, adjust ringer volume and test a sample alert so you know the intensity and feel before continuing to customization. Now you personalize how vibration feels and when it hits. In Settings, Sounds, and Haptics, pick a tone category like ringtone or text tone, tap vibration, and choose a pattern or create new vibration by tapping a rhythm. Assign that custom vibration to specific contacts or alerts so you recognize who or what is notifying you. Also check Accessibility Touch and make sure vibration is enabled system-wide. These steps give distinct tactile cues so you can quickly identify alerts without looking. Finish by testing and verifying the hardware and software together. You should play a ringtone or use emergency bypass to force a vibration, confirming you feel the pattern. If you don't, remove any case, check the ring/silent switch position, and restart the iPhone. Make sure Settings, Sounds, and Haptics still shows Vibrate on ring/silent enabled, and check Accessibility Touch. Key troubleshooting tip: if vibration fails, toggle the Vibrate settings off and on, update iOS, then restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.